Simple ways to naturally whiten your teeth at home. 1. Brush with baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening properties and is a mild abrasive that can help scrub away surface stains on teeth. Additionally, baking soda creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, which prevents bacteria from growing. To use this remedy, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. 2. Use apple cider vinegar. Acetic acid, which is the main active ingredient in apple cider vinegar, kills bacteria. The antibacterial property of vinegar cleans your mouth and whitens your teeth. To use it as a mouthwash, dilute it with water and swish it around in your mouth for several minutes. Make sure to rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. 3. Strawberries. Whitening your teeth with a strawberry and baking soda mixture is a natural remedy. Malic acid found in strawberries will remove discoloration on your teeth. To use this remedy, smash a fresh strawberry, combine it with baking soda, and brush the mixture onto your teeth. 4. Limit staining foods and beverages. Coffee, red wine, soda, and dark berries are infamous for staining teeth. Limit the amount of time these substances are in contact with your teeth. Brush your teeth soon after consuming one of these foods or beverages to limit their effects on the color of your teeth. 5. Avoid smoking and chewing tobacco. Chemicals in tobacco products make it easier for oral bacteria to stick to teeth and gums. Smoking can make your teeth yellow in a short period of time due to staining from tobacco substances like tar and nicotine. 6. Limit your sugar intake. A diet high in sugar supports the growth of Streptococcus mutans, the primary type of bacteria that causes plaque and gingivitis. If you want whiter teeth, cut back on your sugar intake. Follow all these steps with consistency for the best results. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for daily health updates.